We begin with the end in mind. To solve the problems you may have like cybersecurity threats and vulnerability, storage, remote workplace, cloud migration, data backup, hardware, new technology integration, data loss and recovery, workload, analytics and data management, automation. To help you bring to the next level. We are a company engaged in complete IT infrastructure, hardware and software licensing. We are a company you can trust. Established in the 1st of March 2018. Our working verticals are creative productions, business applications, security, backup, activity monitoring, hardware, cloud, asset management, network monitoring, video conferencing, storage. Today we are a team of 30 plus members, 1,000 plus customers, across small, medium and enterprise, in all industries, manufacturing, pharma, advertising, print and publishing, finance, research. Our offices are in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Noida, Pune. We have customers across all locations. Our vendor partners. We are awarded by Adobe as an emerging partner of FY21. We also recognized by Druva Partner Appreciation Award.